Hello everyone, I am going to tell you how to attach an email to email in Gmail. Okay, first of all, you can click on Compose button. Then, so if you want to attach some mails from this uh, list, you can select. Then you can drag here. This is the one of the method. You can use this method to attach emails to an email in Gmail. Okay. Also, you can use there is another method. Okay, you can just select this email and go here more, and there is a forward dash attachment. Okay, so I randomly select some of mail and click on here and forward and attachment. The same result you can see. This is how to uh, attach this is how to attach emails to uh, email in Gmail. Thank you very much. If you have any problems, you can comment below. Thanks.